Dice is on the beat.
Everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a wig video, so let's get right into it. Today's video is in collaboration with Wiggins hair. You guys know I work with them several times on my channel, so I am going to be showing you guys this headband wig. These wigs are extremely popular right now. I am going to be wearing the Kinky straight in 24 inches. So this is how the wig looks. It comes with like this headband attachment. It has 3 combs at the top and then 2 combs in the back. As you guys know, I am in the process of locking my hair, so I think that this is the perfect wig option for me right now while my hair is kind of doing its thing. So something that's easy for me to switch it up, but I don't have to do too much manipulation to my own hair. And then they also have a variety of headbands you can choose from, so they sent me a couple of headbands to show you guys. Alright, so I'm going to start by prepping my hair. Right now I have my hair pulled back in this little ponytail. I have some loose pieces at the top, so I'm just going to take a bobby pin and secure those down. So this is also very beginner friendly, so if you don't know how to braid, all you have to literally do is slick your hair back and tuck the ends. So I'm just gonna split my little ponytail in 2, and I'm just gonna pin each side down. And I have kinky straight hair, which is really full on its own, so you don't have to get it super flat anyways. So I'm just gonna take some edge control and gel down my baby hair. This is a very good protective style because you don't have to do any real manipulation to your real hair. No glue, no braiding. You don't have to have any leave out. Alright, so got my baby hair done. Wig cap on. I did wash this wig last night. Let it air dry overnight. It's still a little damp, so I'm just going to run my blow dryer through it real quick before I put it on my head. So again, it has 3 clips in the front. I'm gonna unclip those. The clips are like, if you ever worn like clip-ins, they're basically like the same thing as clip-in clips.
So I'm gonna put that on my hair. I'm gonna just put these combs straight through that net because I'm like sticking it directly on my hair.
And then I'm just gonna do the same thing in the back. And then you just take the headband part, pull it around and snap it in the back. And that is it. I personally got the Kinky straight just in case, you know, my edges sweat out a little bit. If it got a little texture to it, I don't have to worry about making sure it's like super silky looking, or you know, if it curls up or waves up a little bit, it should be fine. Whew, it's a lot of hair though. So yeah, this is just how it looks with the little black headband that it comes with. But before I show you guys the headbands they sent me, I'm going to straighten it with my Baby Bliss Pro Titanium flat iron, just to flatten it out just a little bit, because kinky straight hair is always so big and full. Whew, I'm hot already. Alright you guys, so keep in mind that this is kinky straight hair, so this is not going to be super sleek, bone straight, or silky. I'm also using larger sections. So if you do want that like super bone straight look, I would recommend either flat ironing in smaller sections or just getting a standard straight wig. As far as the quality of this wig, it did shed quite a bit. However, the hair is extremely soft. Like, I think this is the softest hair I have used in a while. I didn't have any issues with it tangling. Obviously it's 24 inches, so it is going to get a little frizzy in the nape and on the back side, but I didn't have any issues with it tangling too much. I curled it the following day. It does curl. My curls did drop by the end of the day, but the hair does curl. So all in all, I'll give this hair about an 8.5 out of 10. I think it's good everyday hair. Again, it's soft. It looks natural. Just a real effortless type of look with this texture of hair. And then here's just an up close texture shot of how it looks after I run the flat iron through it versus me not running the flat iron through it. So now I'm going to show you guys how it looks with the actual headbands. So here's the first headband. It's just like this blue striped texture. Ooh, don't mess up my baby hairs. So here's the first one. This is definitely like everyday blue jeans, white t-shirt type of headband. Here's the next headband. The material on this one is very kind of, I don't know what kind of material it is, but it's like kind of sheer and thin. This one is definitely like cotton and thicker. It has more stretch and it has more coverage. And then this next one is basically like a black and white version of the previous one I sent you. Same type of material, thick just like that one, except it's just black and white. And here is the last headband. It's just like a standard like slide on headband, and it's like has these iridescent jewels on it. This is like throwback. I think I'm gonna do this one today just because I have on like this mesh top and I think it goes cute with this. And that is going to be it for this headband wig. Quick recap again, this wig is from Wiggins hair, 24 inches, kinky straight, and I like the wig. I think this is a perfect everyday wig for like the working woman. You don't have to spend a bunch of time laying lace. Like literally, outside of me like flat ironing it and styling it, took me a total of 5 minutes to gel my edges down, put a wig cap on, and then put the wig on and then slap a headband on. Like, it's so easy, so quick. I mean, you don't get as much versatility as you would get with like a lace wig, like, or a closure with a part, but you can still do styles. Like if I were to curl this unit, which I may do at some point, I can still kind of do like the flip over method. I can do half up, half down. Like, you can play around with it and you have a lot of options. Per usual, all the details on this wig, all the details about Wiggins, everything will be down in the description box, so check it out. I can definitely see this kind of being my go-to wig while my hair is locking and I just want to look different or switch it up a little bit. This is like the perfect wig for that. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snatched by Sharmel, and I will see you all in the next video.